Amphenol TPC wire and cable serves utility transmission, distribution, and mobile substations with medium voltage and temporary power solutions. Whether it's a custom assembly need or an out-of-the-box solution, ATPC can do it all.
Being a one-stop shop allows them to place one order, and we will take care of the cable, we'll cut it to length, we'll install the connections, we'll do the terminations, testing, build the cable trailer, and then send them a complete system so that they don't have to go to a cable company for one thing, a connector company for another, a testing company to test the product, a trailer company, and then try to coordinate all those things and make them come together. We'll do all that for the customer under one roof.
When you partner with ATPC, you're partnering with a team of dedicated experts who can take the time to understand your challenges, goals, and requirements.
While we can provide standardized solutions that we've done over and over and over, and those are basic and readily available, the customized solutions many times are what customers are going to want. So we work with them on how those cables are going to pay out from the trailer, if they want them paying out the back of the trailer to the side, if they want a tank turret design that allows the reel to spin 360 degrees and then lock back into place. So when they're at the site, they can position the trailer in one location, disengage that reel, rotate it, lock it back in place, and then the cables can be deployed out however they want. So it makes it very easy for them.
Amphenol TPC wire and cable is your one-stop shop for medium voltage cables, connectors, and storage and deployment solutions. Let ATPC do the work. Contact us at tpcwire.com